Good day, guys. It's your one and only Peace like 72. As you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, before I go any further, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next hot one. And if you are a new subscriber to the channel, welcome to the community, guys. Welcome to the community. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. You understand? So, in the previous video, guys, it's very important for you to go watch it in order for you to understand the current one. So we spoke about selling opportunities on NAS 100. You understand? We were looking for selling opportunities on this resistance, but the market, when it reopened on Sunday midnight, the market just decided to push to the top side. So I wasn't really convinced to take those buying opportunities. Instead, I used my golden zone from that high there to that low there. You understand? And the market just gave me the golden zone area there, and I decided to take those selling opportunities from that zone there to the downside. You understand? Let me just do this. What's going on? Let me just do this. Understand? And the market just decided to turn on its way and push to the top side. So now you can see we broke this high. Understand? This previous high, we created a new high. Understand? So you need to be looking for more buying opportunities than selling opportunities on NAS 100. You understand? Because I believe we are now going to the top side. You understand? So on German date, we were looking for those selling opportunities also, but you can see the market never came into my golden zone. The market just decided to turn its way before touching the golden zone and push to the downside. And then it touched this weekly zone and pushed to the top side, came to touch the weekly zone on this point or area here that acts as my resistance and push to the downside. You understand? So you can see if we use the golden zone from the low to the high there, you can see the golden zone point is there. You understand? We just have to see and wait. But today we won't be talking anything about indices. And then regarding Usdjpy, you can also see Usdjpy never came into my golden zone. You understand? I used my golden zone from this high there to the current low there. That broke this low. You understand? Because I believed now we are still on the downtrend. You understand? Because we broke the lower low and created another lower low. You understand? So the golden zone was there. The market never came. Instead, it turned its way there and came to the downside. You understand? As I always say, guys, you can't force trades. You understand? If you don't find any entry, don't try. You understand? Don't try and force something that you don't see. You understand? Only take those high probability trades. And on the previous video, if you watch it, you'll see, guys, that I said the highest probability trade is NAS 100. You understand? And you saw NAS 100 gave us the perfect entry point. Usdjpy, you saw in the previous video, if you did watch it, I was doubting it. You understand? And you can see that it happened the way I spoke about. You understand? So now I'll be talking about the gold, Euro USD, Usdjpy. I understand? You also know, guys, before I start analyzing gold and other pairs, I always start on my DXY. So on my DXY, you saw we had this pattern there, and we had this golden zone. The market touched the golden zone, pushed to the downside, but now you can see we are still pushing to the top side. You understand? So meaning we have to be looking for sales on gold, we have to be looking for sales on Euro USD, and you have to be looking for buys on Usdjpy. Understand? Let me just not waste your time and get into it. You understand? So let me just start on my weekly chart. On my weekly chart, guys, you always know I always look for my lowest point and my highest point. You understand? So you can see the difference now, guys. You can see the difference now. So I have my highest point there, which was this, and then I have my lowest point there. You understand? So what am I looking for now? I'll just be using this to find my zones as always. You understand? So I'll just be using this to find my zones, guys. I'll just be using this. One thing you need to know, guys, is if you do your things correctly, trust me, you'll get the most out of it. You understand? You just don't have to give up. I know sometimes it's hard. I know sometimes you feel like giving up because you are blowing accounts, but one thing I can tell you, it's not the strategy that you are using. You understand? It's what you are thinking, guys. Your emotions are taking place. Your psychology is not into the right place. Like, just try something new, guys. Before you take any trade, just take a pen and a and a pen, you understand, a book and a pen, guys. Just write things down. Be like, okay, fine, I'm seeing this, I'm seeing that. Just also list out your reasons on why you're entering a trade, you understand. Maybe that might help out. So look at this, guys. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful it is, guys. So you can see the market came into this zone, guys. The market came and touched this zone. Understand? The market came and touched this zone. Understand? And on the previous video, the market was still coming down. Understand? So imagine if you waited for that candle to just close and create another candle. You were gonna enter your buying opportunities here, guys. A perfect sniper on a weekly chart. You understand? That's something that you should be looking forward to, guys. You understand? You should tell yourself each and every time, guys. You should tell yourself every time that everything is possible. Nothing is impossible. You understand? Nothing is impossible. So I have my support, I have my resistance. So you can see the market never came there. You understand? The market currently it's here. So on the smallest time frames, as I go down, I believe the market closed, you understand, above there. So let me just do this. Let me just mark this there, you understand? Let me just mark this, you understand? So I'll just go to my 1 day chart now, understand? You see, I told you guys, Hey guys, you know I love analyzing and I love dropping videos, guys, but you don't want to share these videos to other people. I don't know why. What did I do to you guys? What did I do? Like, what did I do? I'm sharing free things, free information, but you don't want to support, guys. You don't want to support. You're keeping things, but it's okay, it's fine. You understand? So one thing I love also, guys, some people really used the golden zone and some people made money from it. You understand? There was this other one student, one of the subscriber who used the golden zone, understand, and he actually tagged me and showed me that it worked. You understand? So you can see, guys, on this daily chart we were on a bullish trend. We broke the trend. We retested with this blue candlestick. Then these gray ones, they were acting as your selling candles, you understand? And you can see the market turned on this zone here, and we are going to the top side, you understand? But now the question is, where are we heading to? You understand? Are we still heading to the top side, or we will turn somewhere and come finish this 90% rule? We have to find out, you understand? So let me just move to my 4-hour chart now and see what we have on our guys. Look how these zones are respected. Guys, AI, no, guys, this is so beautiful. Let me just minimize this. Guys. I'm sorry about that. Let me just make it minimize this. Guys, as we go to the smaller time frames, it gets big. You understand? I don't want that because it might confuse you. Understand? So guys, yeah, this is what I'm looking for now. You understand? This is what I'm looking for. So imagine if you caught this buy here to the top side, you could have milked so hard. You understand? You could have milked so hard. So now the question is, where are we heading to? You understand? Where are we heading to? That's the question. So we just have to see a sensitive point. We have a support there. You can see the market came, then pushed to the top side. And then what do we have again? We have another support there. You can see the market came, then pushed to the top side. Understand? These red lines can act as one of your sensitive areas, or it can act as one of your take profit areas. You understand? So you can see the market actually respected here and came to the downside. Now it's pushing. Understand? You simply have to just wait for that retest and push. If it breaks, wait for that retest and then push. Understand? But if the market decides to break this one here, guys, just know we are now going to the top side, meaning this 90% rule to this point here will never be respected. You understand? Sorry about that. Let me just fix it. Where was it? Somewhere there. Yeah. Understand? So yeah, so this is what you need to be looking for. So I have to take this from there to there. So if I took the golden zone from this low to that high there, I could have caught this buy here. Understand? I could have caught this buy there simply to this zone here or that zone there. Understand? But let's just put it there. I could have caught this buy there. Understand? Put your stop loss tight. You understand? Simple something like this, you understand? But then you know the vibes, guys. Golden zone always works, and I once dropped a video regarding golden zone. If you didn't watch it, there is one of the videos whereby I exposed the golden zone, you understand? So you can see the market, guys, it's currently bullish, you understand? It's currently bullish. So I just have to connect the trends. Just have to connect the trends there, you understand? Just have to connect the trends there. It's not really looking good here. Let me just delete this one and fix it. I need a proper trend. I need a proper trend. Yeah, something like something like this. I need a proper trend. Understand? I need a proper trend. Something like this. Also, I need something from there to there. Understand? Something like this. So if the market decides to break this one, guys, if the market decides to break, now you know we are going to the downside. You know why I'm drawing these trend lines? I need to know if it breaks, where am I going? You understand? I don't want to be confused. So one thing you need to know, let's just move to the 30-minute chart. Let's just move to the 30-minute chart and see if we could get any entry point. So we don't have any entry point yet, guys. We don't have any entry point yet, but you have to wait for the market to just come into this support there. Understand? Wait for the market to come to this support there. Once the market comes to this support there, simply just take your buying opportunities to the top side, you understand? But as I always say, don't just enter without any confirmation, guys. You know, I always tell you that don't enter without any confirmation. You have to know your confirmation patterns or anything that you are using in order to enter a trade. This is what you should be looking for, understand? So let's now move to Usdjpy weekly chart, you understand? Let's move to weekly chart. Okay, beautiful. Guys, let's share the channel. If you get time, please share the channel, guys. Let's spread the word, guys. Let's allow more people to join the community. You understand? So I have my high, I have my low, you understand? So what am I looking for now? I'm just looking for my possible zones, you understand? I'm just looking for my possible zones in order for me to know where I am heading to, you understand? Just need to know my possible zones. Let me just fix that one there. Let me just fix it there, and also take this one there to the something like that. Look how these zones are respected, guys. I'll always preach the same thing one and again, you understand? I'll always preach the same thing. These zones are respected so deep. You'll never go wrong. And one thing, you know how fun it is, since I uploaded my first YouTube channel, guys, we never lost any trade, you understand? The only thing that maybe we can come across, it's the market not respecting our setup, you understand? That's the only thing that we always come across, you understand? But then if the market does respect our setup, we always milk. I mean, this thing is so simple because we have two weapons to use. We have our zones to use. We have our golden zone to use. You understand? We have our confirmations to use. You understand? What else do you need? What else? There's nothing else that you might need. You understand? Because you have everything that you need in order for you to make those winning trades. You understand? You have everything that you need in order to make those winning trades. Simply have to execute. Whenever you see a possible entry point, execute. But one thing you need to know, you have to work with the highest probability setups, you understand? So guys, I see the market came there and rejected, you understand? So we should use this point there as our resistance, and we should use this point there as our support, you understand? And you can see the market broke here. We had a downtrend here. We are actually looking for that 90% rule, understand? You can see the market had what? The market actually had something beautiful for us there. Let me just connect something there, understand? Simple, understand? can see the market is something beautiful for us there. So we are coming to this 90% rule there. Those buying opportunities needs to come to the top side there. Understand? This is what you should be looking for. Let's move to the daily. Wow. Guys, you know, sometimes it falls so good. Like, it falls so good. You understand? Let me just do this. Understand? Then cancel this one. Understand? And then what am I doing again? Do something like this. Then cancel this one. Look how beautiful it is. Imagine if you caught the buying opportunities here, guys. Imagine if you caught those buying opportunities here. Imagine. Yo, guys, you could have milked so hard. You understand? You can see how these zones are respected. So you don't have any excuse telling me or saying to yourself, Forex doesn't work, Forex is a scam or anything. No. You understand? No, it doesn't work like that. You understand? Let's see if we can. One thing you need to know, the market respected the zone, came to respect the zone. Now it's pushing to the top side. It has to come to this point and respect the 90% rule. You understand? And I've been preaching the same thing since the market was somewhere here. If you could go back to the videos, you'll see, guys, I've been preaching the same thing, that we are still going to the top side. So you need to be looking for more buying opportunities than selling opportunities. Understand? So let's see if the trend is connected there. You understand? Let's see. You can see we have our first, second point. You understand? And let's see something from this second point to the. Understand? Simple. Understand? This is what you should be looking for, and also something like this. Understand? Let me just fix it. Let me just fix the thing there. Exactly my point. So if the market decides to break this trend there, if the market just decides to break here, understand, and comes to retest on this zone, remember we have two zones. We have this one, we have this one. So if the market decides to respect here, just look for the market to come to the downside. You understand? Market to come to the downside to this point or this point there. But I don't think it will ever break. I feel like it's still going to the top side. But then I don't control the market. You understand? I do what my analysis, understand, tells me. Understand? So let's go to the 4-hour time frame to use our golden zone, which we all love. You understand? Which we all love, guys. We all love the golden zone. Am I wrong? I'm not wrong. If I'm wrong, please comment below and tell me if I'm wrong. You understand? Let's see. Good there. Thank you. Let's do this. Fix the trend there. Beautiful. Understand? Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. What's going on now? Beautiful. Look how this thing. Guys. Guys, please comment below, guys. What do you think, Mar? Please comment below. What do you think? What do you think, guys? One day I should all invite you into my house so you can all come, guys. You understand? So we can do a trading session. Yeah, understand? So you can see, guys, what we are looking for here. It's pretty obvious. Understand? It's pretty obvious. You can see what we are looking for here. What are we looking for here, guys? What are we looking for? I'll just be quiet. What are we looking for? Exactly my point. We are looking for the market to come to this point there, understand, and close above. Then tomorrow or today around 9, understand, South African time, or tomorrow around London session, we could be waiting for those buying opportunities. Understand? Because if the market closes below, above this support, we are still going to the top side. You understand? So simple. Let me just delete this one here. Understand? And let's allow this one to be active for us to know. Understand? Let's just do this, something like that. You understand? We are waiting for the market to come and touch. Once the market comes to touch there, simply we are looking for those buying opportunities to the top side. You understand? And we just put our stop loss tight, and then where are we aiming to? There it's far, it's far, but then we also go in there. But then we have to know where we are aiming for. Understand? Guys, what did I do? But then it's okay. let's just see the sensitive area. We have a sensitive area, guys. You can see the market rejected, so let's just put something there, understand? So let's reset. Okay, so let's just put our TP there for now, understand? If the market breaks, you know we are going to the top side, you understand? Just put our thing there. Beautiful, understand? Let's see our golden zone. Let's see our golden zone from this low to that high there, understand? Let's also see something. Okay, so we just have to wait for something like this, guys, understand? We have to wait for something like this. The market will either respect this or either respect this, understand? Two possibilities, guys, you understand? But for now, let's just keep it like that, you understand? Let's keep it like that, and then you will see. So let's move to Euro USD now. Euro USD. So on Euro USD, you know the vibes, guys. We start on the weekly chart, you understand? We are looking for our zones. We are looking for our zones. Yo, the market structure yet somehow, guys. Somehow. But then you know the vibes. We always discover things. We always do things, you understand? We do the impossible. We always do the impossible, guys. So we have our high, we have our low, you understand? We just have to mark our zones. I believe the market is coming to touch this, understand? It's coming to touch this support there, you understand? You can also see the market, it's below. So we just have to look for those selling opportunities and allow the market to touch this point and then push to the top side, you understand? If it breaks here, we are going down, you understand? We are going down. And let's see, when did this happen? 2022, around September 26, you understand? That's 2 years ago. So let's also see something. I won't really add much zones, guys, because you can see already we are below one zone, you understand? So I won't add too much zones, understand? I won't add too much zones. Let's just add something from this point there, understand? Let's add something from there, something like that, you understand? And also add something from this point there to there, you understand? What's going on? Something like that. Okay, so I have another one there. We have another one there, understand? Beautiful. So for now we will just focus on this resistance, understand? This is our main focus, this resistance there. This is our main focus, guys. Let me just make it smaller, because as we go to smaller time frames, it becomes big. Don't forget to like and hit the notification bell, guys, for you to be notified, you understand? And also let's share the channel so the channel can reach more viewers, you understand? You see, guys, what I'm talking about? Can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see what I'm talking about? So the market is really respecting these zones, you understand? The market is really respecting these zones, and you can see the market really came to respect there, understand? The market respected this zone, you understand? So now you can see the market came to retest. Now we are looking forward to this zone here, you understand? I'm pretty sure we are looking forward to this zone there. We are looking for something like that, guys, understand? We are looking for something like this, guys. We are looking for something like this, you understand? So we have to wait for the market to come to this zone, understand? We have to wait for the market to come to this zone. What do we have? Let's see, what are we looking for here? Do we have any trend? Yeah, we do have, understand? The market came 1, 2, 3 push to the top side, 4 pushed, came, understand? But it never came to retest. Instead it pushed to the downside, and we have to complete this 90% rule. So I assume once we complete this 90% rule, we have to wait for the market to create something like this, you understand? We have to wait for the market to create something like this, you understand, and push to the top side. We have to wait for the market to create a double bottom. Once the market creates a double bottom, then we are looking for those buying opportunities to the top side, you understand? Because the 90% rule now, it will be complete in no time. I think before the end of this week, the 90% will be complete. But you know, guys, I always come back and update you when something happens, you understand? I always come back and update you. We are one family, guys, a one big upcoming family, you understand? So yes, sir. So let's see, we have to look for those selling opportunities to that end of the 90% rule. And also, what are we looking for? Let's see on the 4-hour chart if there's anything that we might be looking for. Understand? Let's see. So let me just zoom in. Do something like this. Now, is it appropriate? Not really convinced, but then something like this, no, but then something like this might work out, you understand? Something like that might work out. Okay, something like that might work out, understand? So you can see the market was actually, understand, pushing to the top side, but because of this, the market came down, understand? So what are we looking for now? We just have to use our golden zone from this high there. Oh, guys, there's also actually a double top here. First, second, there was a double top there, understand? But then you see, guys, so we have to use our golden zone from the high there to the low there, understand? We have to use that. Let's see something again. Let's see something again. So yeah, so we actually have to wait for the market to come to this golden zone at some point and then push to the end of the 90% rule, you understand? So one thing you need to know, guys, we always wait for a confirmation. I always tell you guys, whenever you see the market touching your golden zone, wait for something like this, guys. Wait for something like this. This is your confirmation, understand? Because we have a low that will be created. You have to wait for the market to break the low, understand, and create another new low. Then you use your golden zone from the high there to the new created low, you understand? Obviously, the market at some point, it will come to your golden zone and then push to the downside, but only use it on the smaller time frame, such as 15-minute or 5 minutes, you understand? You can't use it on 1 minute because you'll be confused, you understand? So this is what you should be looking for, guys, you understand? Selling opportunities to this to this end of the 90% rule. As I said, if the XY is buying, look for buying opportunities on Usdjpy and look for selling opportunities on gold, and also look for selling opportunities on Euro USD, you understand? Simple, guys. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, guys, for you to be notified, you understand? I'm always the chef, guys. I'm always cooking and I'm always serving you well, understand? Don't also forget to share the channel, guys, to many people, you understand? Let's grow together as one, you understand? So it's your one and only Peace like 72, as you all know me, your mentor. Peace, guys.